Test 3. Let's see.
First one E.
Okay, first one E. Let's see. First one. Where does your brother work? That is
E.
C. Yes, he is in the whatever staff room or something.
The E.
Yeah, there should be E, no, not C. Hmm. Where does your brother work? He works in yes, E. Yes. Who is Amanda?
She is my neighbor.
She's your neighbor.
D.
Okay, that means D. Okay. Who prepared this tasty food? If they have given no.
My mother. F.
Yeah. What time is it now?
It's 10 o'clock. D.
It's 10 o'clock. D. Why are you walking so fast?
Because I am late for school.
Okay,
A.
then very good. Where is our English teacher?
He is in the staff room. C.
Yes, that means C, which means C. Very good, huh? Okay, let's come to 4. The name of the product is Sunshine Soap. Is it soap? Yes. Is it sunshine then? Yes. Then is it true?
True.
True. Yes, it's true. Then give me a second.
False.
Next one false, no? Next one is a lemon drink.
False.
No, false. Not a drink. You can't drink it. No. The price is
False.
false. Also false. Yes. Viva Sri Lanka manufactures this product.
False.
False. Yeah, it is not Viva. It is Beaver. Next, the weight is 120 grams.
True.
True. Yes, it weighs like that. Correct. Okay, one other comes now. Okay. Write the following sentences correctly using the capitals, full stops, and question marks where necessary. Yes.
First. Second one. My M.
Okay, wait a second. The Pura. Okay, next one. Matila. Matila. Matila, can you hear me? Matila.
Oh, yes.
Okay, this is 2017 year-end evaluation test 5. Okay, Tisab, you can continue. Yes, my
Okay, sir.
okay. Yes, Tisab, me you can tell all answers first.
M.
Yeah. M should be
M is
capital. Okay.
capital.
Yes. Then
Nalaka. N.
yes, that's capital. Then that's all. Nah. Yeah, that's all. Then
Third one.
mm-hmm.
A is capital.
Yes, A is capital. Yes.
Question mark.
Yes. Question mark at the end. Question mark. Yes. Next.
C is capital.
Yes, yeah, C is capital. They have already given C capital anyway. Yes, next.
Jaffna. G is capital.
Geet, G is capital. You missed one. Four missed. Geet, G is capital. At the end,
Full stop.
full stop. Is it a full stop or question mark? Again, see please. This is not a sentence. This is a question. So, number 4 has a question mark. Okay, number 5. Number 5.
H is capital.
Yeah.
Jaffna. G is capital.
Yes, correct. Next one.
B is capital.
Mm-hmm.
Full stop.
Oh, sure. It's a full stop.
Question mark.
Question mark. That's a question. Okay, Matila, you may try too if you want. No matter.
Okay, sir. Sir, මම දැන් කියන්නද?
Why not?
First එකට ඒගොල්ලෝ දීලා තියෙනවා. Second එක my name is නාලක. My එකේ M capital, නාලක එකේ N capital, අන්තිමට full stop. ඊළඟ එක are you going to the market? කියන එකේ R කියන එකේ A capital, going to the market එකේ අවසානට question mark. Fourth එක can Geet run fast? Can එකේ C capital, Geet එකේ G capital, run fast අන්තිමට question mark. He has come from Jaffna. He එකේ H capital, Jaffna එකේ J capital, අන්තිමට full stop.
Okay.
Sixth one, do you like sports? Do එකේ D capital, sports එකේ අවසානට question mark. Finish.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. Here are the answers. This way you should go.
Test 6.
Yeah, 6. Okay, you may start. Okay.
So, ඊළඟට මම.
Okay, Vitash.
One,
Go.
ocean. Ocean.
Ocean. Yeah. Okay.
Second one, Japan.
Okay.
Third one, 10.
Okay.
Fourth one, short and black. Fifth one, jean and t-shirt.
Okay.
Sixth one, tennis.
Good. Okay, Matila. Yes.
First one, ocean. Second one, Japan. Third one, 10. Fourth one, short black hair. Fifth one, jeans and t-shirts. Sixth one, tennis.
Okay.
Finish, sir.
Okay, good. Here.
Sir, may I
Tell
speak
the next one.
next?
Okay, sure. First, give me to finish this one. Tall and no, not tall. Short,
Short black hair, sir.
black hair. Yeah. And next one, favorite dress, jeans
Jeans and t-shirts.
Jeans and t-shirts. No, whatever. Okay. Games.
Tennis.
Tennis. Yep. Okay, you can start now.
Test 7. Okay, first one E, second one A, third one D,
Okay.
fourth one C,
Mhm.
fifth one B.
Okay, yes, these are me. You try to, no matter.
First one E. Second
Okay.
one A.
Mm-hmm.
Third one B.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one C. Fifth one D.
Okay, let's see. First one, what did you have for breakfast? The answer is then some sandwiches and 2 packets of
Some
milk.
sandwiches and 2 packets of milk.
Milk. E. Where did you have them?
From Bread and Bun Cafe.
A. When did you go there?
D, in the morning around 9 a.m.
Yeah. How much did you pay? The amount that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, මේ අවසානට කියපු තැනට in the morning around අපි ලියනවා නම් at දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන්. Around කියන්නේ ආසන්න පමණ. At කියන්නේ වෙලාවට. Around දැම්මොත් 9ට පමණ. At කිව්වොත් 9ට precisely හරියටම 9. Correct.
එතකොට sir around නැත්තම් අපිට at 9 am කියලා දාන්න පුළුවන් නේද?
Why not? You can. Yes. Correct. Okay. Next one. How much money is he and who
It
paid?
was only rupees, sorry sir, 195 rupees.
Okay, yes. Okay, next one. That is the friend's name. My friend is Taruka. Not Taraka, but Taruka. Okay. You're copying my name. No, you see how bad.
Sir, may I speak now?
This chance is for Tisat me, no? First time.
Okay, sir.
You talk no earlier.
No
First
problem.
time? Okay, Tisat me.
First one he. Second one us.
Okay.
Third one I. Fourth one they.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth one you
Mm-hmm.
and me.
Okay, yes, Mathila.
Okay, sir. First one he, second one us, third one I,
Mm-hmm.
fourth one they, fifth one you. Fifth එකේ 2 තියෙනවා. second එකට my එන්නේ.
Okay.
එකක් you එකක් my.
Yeah.
Say, may I speak now?
Yeah, start. Sure.
Test 9. First එක එන්නේ little frog. First one little frog. Second one to see if he could swim.
Mm-hmm.
Third one gobbled up all the soap and drank up all the water.
Okay.
Fourth one bubbled in his throat. Fifth one my little frog or my lazy team.
Okay, very good. Yes, these are me, Fernando.
First one a frog.
Okay.
Second one to see if he could swim.
Mm-hmm.
Third, okay, first drank water,
Mm-hmm.
gobbled up soap.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth, he has a bubble in his throat.
Okay.
Fifth one lazy him.
Okay. Drank up all the water and gobbled. What happened when he tried to talk? That is, he had a bubble. Okay, he had a bubble. His throat and write the suitable title. Okay, what is suitable title as you think? Suitable title?
My little frog or my lazy team.
Okay, my lazy Tim. Okay, my lazy little frog is also okay. Ah, little. Ah,
Sir, what mean by gobble?
gobble means gilino like that. Gilagano.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Testing.
Okay, start.
First one tree.
Hmm.
Second one flower.
Mm-hmm.
Third one garden.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one color.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth one cloudless.
Mm-hmm.
Sixth one bird.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, may I speak now?
Why not? Start.
Sir, මම රීසන් එකත් එක්ක කියන්නද නැත්තම් නිකන් කියන්නද?
Oh, reason එකත් no matter. No matter. Start.
First එකට trees. Trees කියලා ඉන්නේ sir ඒකේ තියෙනවා see the tall කියලා. Tall කිව්වහම මෙතන තියෙන ඒවලින් අනිත් ඒවා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. trees තමයි හරියන්නේ. එතකොට second එක flowers. අනිත් ඒකෙන් හොයාගන්න තියෙන්නේ පොඩි ගස්වල ඒ කියන්නේ පැලවල මල් කියලා තමයි පිපෙනවා කියන්නේ අනිත් ඒවා දාන්න බෑ sir. එතකොට third එකට garden. එතකොට දාන්න තියෙන්නේ around the small කිව්වහම sir garden කියලා වැටෙන්නේ. Small garden. They were in many different කියන්නේ නොඑක් වර්ගයේ. එතකොට නොඑක් වර්ගයේ කියලා එතකොට වැටෙන්නේ colors. The sky over the house was cloudless and clear. Sky එකක් clear කියන්නේ cloudless. ඒ කියන්නේ බලාකුළු නොමැති විට තමයි clear. එතකොට sky එක තියෙන හින්දා cloudless තමයි එන්නේ. He was glad to see the birds flying everywhere. එතකොට flying කියලා තියෙන හින්දා හැම තැනම පියාඹන්නේ birds ලා. කියන්නේ කුරුල්ලෝ. එතකොට birds කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. It was a cheerful day.
Okay, very good. Okay. Who is the next person? Which one is
Sir,
first one?
may I speak now?
Okay, sure. Yeah, I think you are first now.
Test 11. First one, a lot of people. Second one, because they think all snakes are ugly and want to hurt them. Third එක first එක true, second එක false. Fourth එකට grass and forests. Fifth එක mice. Sixth එක swim and climb trees very quickly. Seventh එක you should never pick them up the snakes. Finish, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. This is me, yes. This is me, Fernando.
First one, a lot of people. Second one, because they think snakes hurt them. Third එක first එක true. Second එක false. Fourth එක first එක in the grass. Second එක in the forest.
Okay. Okay.
Fifth එක mice. Sixth එක first එක climb trees. Second එක swim. Seventh එක you should never pick the snakes up.
Yes.
Pick
Very good.
up.
Why are they afraid of snakes? They think all these are ugly and want to hurt them. Because
Excuse me, sir. I have one problem.
yeah, what's the matter?
Yes, sir, because they think all snakes are ugly and want to hurt them. The ekada, sir. නැත්තම් කෙටියෙන් ලිව්වොත් because snakes are ugly and want to hurt them කියලාද ඒක කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ නේ සර් අරක දිග වැඩි හින්දා කෙටි
ප්‍රශ්නයක්
කරනවා
නෑ උදේ. ඔයා කියන ආන්සර් එකකට කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ ගෙන්න පුළුවන් possible. ඔයා ඒක හදලා මොකද quality එකට ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ no matter. කොහොම හරි ආන්සර් ගෙනවා ගන්නට. very good ah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next one, some insects are very beautiful. Are they very beautiful?
Yes, sir.
Yes. True. Yes, some of them are very beautiful.
Second line එකේ sir. Second line එක.
Yes. Okay. All snakes hurt people? No. It's false.
Sir, ඒකත් තියෙනවා second line එකේ. But this is wrong because some snakes are very beautiful. Wrong කියලාම තියෙනවා sir.
And don't usually hurt people, no? Yes, සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මිනිස්සු hurt කරන්නේ නැහැ. Name two places where snakes often live.
Grass and forest.
Yes. Next one, what do some snakes eat?
Mice.
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 Yes. And name two things that snakes can
Climb
do.
trees.
Yes.
Swim
Climb
and
trees.
Climb trees and swim, no?
swim and climb trees very quickly.
Yeah. Swim, climb trees, and as you said, very quickly or whatever. You should never
Pick up them. Pick
them.
them up.
Yeah.
Sir.
But actually, I like to have a snake at my home. I really like it. You understood what I said, both of you? You know that those green ones, what we call in Sri Lanka, those hatulla or something like that. I like to have one at my home. As a pet, you know.
It's a danger.
No, it's a lie, Buddha. Who has said you that Ayatollahs are
No,
dangerous?
sir.
They
No,
are
sir.
very innocent. They don't hurt us. Okay, they,
Sir,
they, yeah, Buddha.
it is very dangerous.
Really? Who says? No. Atullah means, that those greeny ones, no, they're actually eating insects, not people. No hurting to people. I like to have one at my home. I don't know whether it's legal or not. That's the matter I don't keep. Otherwise, I always like. One day I will for sure. And I also have to like to have a tiger even. I love the animals. But unfortunately, Sri Lanka, we can't keep tigers. Not allowed. Okay, anyway, let's move to 2018 now. Okay, let's start. First one.
Sir, may I speak now?
Whose chance? मैं काग chance कर दे.
37 එක දෙන්න, sir.
Okay, it is
No
me.
problem.
Okay.
First one, IOUS.
Yeah.
Second one, KURE.
Mm-hmm.
Third one, ANCE.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one, ADOW. Fifth one, TAIN. Sixth one, ONAL.
Okay. Yes, Matila, you can start now.
Okay, sir. First one is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
DELICIOUS.
Mm-hmm.
Second one, adventure.
Mm-hmm.
ADVENTURE. So
Okay.
adventure mean by ත්‍රාසජනක.
Yes. Yes. Correct. That is Tash Janaka. Something like that. Tash Janaka.
Third one, entrance.
Okay.
ENTRANCE. Entrance.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one, meadow.
Mm-hmm.
MEADOW.
Okay.
Fifth one, mountain. MOUNTAIN.
Mm-hmm.
Sixth one, international. INTERNATIONAL.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay, very good. Okay, your chance, Matila now.
Okay, sir. First one is Anuradha. Sir, make a Liviak.
Mm-hmm.
Dear Damit, we are going to first one Anuradhapura next week.
Mm-hmm.
We hope to visit few important places there.
Mm-hmm.
We can spend the night at my grandfather's home.
Mm-hmm.
My father will book the seats in the intercity train.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to join us? We can enjoy the trip together.
Mm-hmm.
Please inform me as soon as possible.
Okay.
Yours to sit. Finish.
Okay. Is that me?
Can I speak now?
Okay.
We are going to Anuradhapura next week. We hope to visit few important places there.
Mm-hmm.
We can spend the night at my grandfather's.
Okay.
My father will book the seat in the intercity train.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to join us? We can join the trip together. Please inform me as soon as possible.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Buddha. Very good. Huh? Yeah. Okay, we are going to Anuradhapura next week. Best one, Anuradhapura. Okay, maybe to get COVID and come. We hope to visit few important places. No, is places important?
Places there.
Yeah, places there. Are you both Buddhist? Tisatmi is a Buddhist, I think, maybe. And Matil, are you a Buddhist too?
Yes, sir. I am Buddhist.
Okay. Mhm. Next one. We can spend the night.
At my grandfather's home.
At my
Okay.
grandfather's house.
Yeah. Next one. We can spend the night at my grandfather. My father will book the seats.
In the intercity
In the
train.
intercity train.
Yeah. Yes. We can enjoy. Now, would you like to join us? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Join us.
We can enjoy.
The trip together.
The trip together.
Yes. Correct. Oh, R. Okay. Next one. Adit Tisatmi first, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tisatmi is first.
Text is A,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
B, 4,
Mm-hmm.
C, 6,
Okay, Pita, very
D,
good.
5,
Mm-hmm.
E, 2, F, 4.
Okay. Yes, very good.
Sir,
Yes, okay, you can start.
first again. A. Number A is 3. B 4, C 6, D 5, E 1, F 2.
Okay. Very good. Let's see.
Thank you, sir.
One, tiger. Tiger matches to cup, that means 3. And goat means kid, 4. And dog means puppy, 6. Duck means duckling, 5.
Duckling.
Yeah. Deer means here have to go for calf, that means A. Donkey is foal. You know, donkey comes under the category of horses sometimes, you know.
The 5th second, 2, 6 second, 4,
Four එන්නේ ගෝට්ට තමයි කිද්දෙන්නේ.
Sir,
Yes.
fifth second,
fifth එක වැරදිලා සට ඒ කියලා.
That is the matter. I mean, numbers දාලා දිනවා උලක් නේද? එකනේ. That is then 2. The 2 means B, not 2 but B.
fifth second, 1.
Yes. Number issues, no.
Sir, භාගයක් numbers and භාගයක් letters.
Yes, I understand. There's a mistake. Okay, I just saw it. Okay, so it should be goes like this. Okay, 1, and this one is 2.
2.
Yeah. Now I realize my issue. Okay. Later with your suggestions and directions maybe. Anyway. Okay, next one.
Sir, may I speak now?
Yeah, why not? You are.
First one is Sri Lanka.
Mhm.
Second one, second A, false. B, true.
Mhm.
Third decade, a lot of seashells.
Mhm.
Fourth, A is staying. B is hotel.
Mhm.
Fifth decade, beautiful corals and
Mhm.
spicy food. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Putta, very good. Okay. Yes,
Can I
Tisapni.
speak now?
Why not?
First one in Sri Lanka.
Mm-hmm.
Second A false, B
Mm-hmm.
true.
Okay.
Third one Seychelles.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth A Spain.
Mm-hmm.
B hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth A beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
D spicy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. What did Sam collect? Sam collected a lot of.
A lot of seashells. Third line 3.
Yep.
Line 3.
Yes, correct. Huh? And then Ben and Sam are staying.
Yes, sir. Staying. So
Staying.
එකට ගැලපෙන්නේ we are කියන එක. Third line එකේ we are staying in a big hotel. So
Yes.
දෙන්නෙන්නේ sir. ඒගොල්ලෝ දීලා තියෙන්නේ we. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට උත්තර ලියන්න දීලා තියෙන්නේ Ben and Sam කියලා.
Yes, Puta. Correct. 100% correct. In a big, then where? In a big
Hotel sir. Hotel.
hotel. Okay. Right. Adjectives. Corals. What corals?
Beautiful corals.
Yes.
හික්කඩුව. Second line.
What them are corals? You know the corals means fighting corals. Fighting. You know, fighting means jahagarot kere corals tamai, but the spelling is changed. Okay, very different. QUA. That coral CORALS. Fighting means QUARREL coral. So sometimes I could have gone wrong there. Anyway, what food? I think spicy, no?
Spicy food.
Yeah,
Spicy
Sri
food.
Lanka has spicy food, no, which makes us hot, and you can't bear even sometimes, and you are burning, no, inside. If I'm correct. And number 5, okay, I think this is the first, no?
Can
I
I
can remember.
speak
Okay,
now?
yes.
First one true.
Yeah.
Second one false.
Mm-hmm.
Third one false.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one false.
Okay. Yes.
D.
Mm-hmm.
The poet is searching for his whistle.
Okay. Yes. Then Mathila.
Test 5.
Mm-hmm.
Test 5A. First one true. Second one false. Third one false. Fourth one false.
Okay.
First time. The poet is searching for his whistle.
Whistle. Okay. Anyway, good. Now it's my time. No, I have to start now. Okay. Give me a second. Something has happened. It's slowly still, you see. Somewhere is here. Wait a second. Right. Oh, it's still loading. You see, something has gone wrong. Wait a second. Something's wrong with my computer. You have to wait a little time.
සෑ මොකක් හරි වුණා සර්.
Oh, the computer issues, sometimes it happens. Okay, now it's okay. It's gone. The poet wants to learn to whistle. Is true or false? I will learn to. Yes, true. It is true. And the
ෆස්ට් ලයින් එකේම තියෙනවා සර්.
yes, but he fixes his lips to do so. No, not the lips.
No sir, mouth.
Yes,
Mouth.
the mouth. Yeah. His whistle came through. The body.
No sir.
No.
But the whistle won't
come
come
through.
through.
Yes. He tried to practice it only once.
No sir, I try it once again.
That means then it's false. Okay, the poet is searching for his.
Whistle sir. Whistle.
Yes, Puta, both are correct.
Sir.
Very good. Okay, your chance. Yes, why not?
ඒකේ ටයිටල් එක තියෙන්නේ whistle කියලා.
Yes. Okay. Whose chance is it now? First chance.
Sir, right.
Okay, then start.
First, this is a picture of a classroom.
Mhm.
The teacher is standing in front.
Mhm.
There are 4 students sitting on chairs.
Mhm.
There is a clock above the board.
Okay.
And there is a calendar on the other wall.
Mhm.
One boy is using his computer.
Mhm.
there are two wet umbrellas leaning against the wall. Two coats are hanging on the wall. There is a bucket next to the girl. The students are happy in the class.
Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, let's see. Yes.
Now
Sadmi.
Excuse me, sir. I
Yes.
have one problem.
Yeah, what is the
Sir,
problem?
above කියන්නේ sir උඩින් කියන එක නේ sir.
Udin iheling you see ada kata kali class එකේ.
Yes sir.
Okay, yes. This is me.
this is a picture of a classroom. The teacher is standing in front. There are 4 students sitting on chairs. There is a clock above the board, and there is a calendar on the other wall.
Okay.
One boy is using his computer. There are 2 wet umbrellas leaning against
Yeah.
the wall. 2 coats are hanging on the wall. There is a bucket next to the girl. The students are happy in the class.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's see. Now first one. This is a picture of a classroom. The teacher, first one given by them. The teacher is
In front.
and in front.
Is-
Yeah, there are 4
Chairs.
chairs.
Sorry sir. Students
Students
sitting
or
on
children?
chairs.
Students or children? Students. No, students. They have given theirs. No, okay, students. That is like this. Okay.
Sitting on chairs. Sitting
Chairs.
on chairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. There is about the board clock.
Clock.
Yeah. About the board, and there is a
Calendar.
On the other wall.
yeah on the other wall. No.
Wall.
Yep.
So
One.
again
One boy.
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah. Apa tu?
on the other wall කියන අනිත් පිටියේ කියන
Yes.
meaning එක නේ sir.
Yes. Correct. Yes. On the other wall, one boy is using his
He's using his
Computer.
computer. What a class! No, you can even use your computers while teacher is teaching. Not in Sri Lanka.
There are 2 wet umbrellas
Red
Yes.
umbrella
Yes. Wet umbrellas are there.
leaning
against
against the wall.
Yeah.
wall.
Okay.
courts.
This is
2
Two
coats.
coats.
there is so yeah. Okay.
Court.
Means there are
Courts.
two
Courts.
courts. No, 2 courts. Yeah, 2 courts. 2 courts. Then
So hanging කියන්නේ
hanging on the
එල්ලා
wall.
තබලා කියන
yes. There is a
There is a bucket next to the girl.
bucket next to the girl.
yes. Correct. Okay. Next one.
So තිසත්මි
Okay, this Atmi can start. Okay.
First one small, second one short, third one cold, fourth one clean,
Okay.
fifth one beautiful, fifth one slow.
Okay. Yes, you.
So first one is small, second one is short, third one cold, fourth one clean, fifth beautiful, sixth one slow.
Okay, likes the cold weather. Yes, Nurelia has a cold weather, and now the students went to clean the classroom.
Clean the dirty classroom.
Yeah,
Sir,
that means, yeah.
ඒකේ opposite එක sir තියෙන්නේ.
Yes.
ඒගොල්ලෝ දීලා
Correct.
තියෙන එකේ opposite එක තමයි අපි
Yes. First
පුරවන්නේ.
one's big is small. Second one's then long.
Short, long, short.
Next one.
Egg, hot, cold.
Yeah.
Hot,
Next one.
summer, cold.
Yes.
Next
then-
එකේ dirty, clean.
Yeah. Next one. Ugly.
Ugly, beautiful. Ugly, beautiful.
Yes. Okay. Next one.
Fast, slow.
Slow. Correct. Very nice. 9. Start. I think it's Mathilda.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes. First one is heavily. So එක තියෙන්නේ adverb එකක් කරන්න. ඔව් නේ sir. Adverb එකක් කරන්න. Yes sir, adverb. Second one is fast. Fast my ran out to collect the dried clothes. She called us loudly to help her with that. We ran fast. Oh sir.
Okay.
Sorry sir. Second one is quickly. Fourth one is fast to help her. Grandma couldn't hear that, so she slowly walked out, but we safely came in before we got wet.
Okay, very good. Yes.
Finish.
Okay, this is me.
It was a gloomy day. Suddenly it started to rain heavily. Mother quickly ran out to collect the dried clouds. She called us loudly to help her with that. We ran fast to help her. Grandma couldn't hear that, so she slowly walked out, but we safely come in before we got wet.
Yeah, correct. Okay, next one. 4 verse. We ran fast, no?
Fast.
Yeah.
Fast.
Yeah.
So එක adverb එකක් කරන්න fast my name sir.
Yes, Buddha. Fast is fast anyway. What? Fast, okay. Next one. We ran fast. Next one. So she quickly, no? No, she safely.
Slowly sir.
Last one, slowly, no?
Grandmother is slowly.
Yeah, slowly, then, but we safely.
Safely sir.
Okay. Can you find the applications, Kanjana, miss? Can you find the applications? After this, mother has gone do so. Right. Okay. Next one, you may say the answers. That is 9 or 10. There has been some number mistakes. Okay, 8 and 9. Okay. Okay, continue.
Can I talk now?
Sure.
Excuse me sir. I have problem.
Yeah, tell me that.
Sir, මේකෙන් නෙමෙයි sir පොඩි මේ තේරුමක් අහගන්න.
Okay.
Sir, මේ visitor කියන්න කාටද?
Visitor නරඹන්න කෙනෙක් බලන්න කෙනෙක්.
Thank you sir.
Okay, Buddha. Okay.
First one,
Okay.
the library. Second one, the librarian. Third one, books, magazine, newspapers, and computers.
Okay, Buddha. Okay.
Fourth එක A, false, B, true, C, true. Fifth එක A, hard, B, quick, C, forgot.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, may I speak now?
Sure. It is
First one, help with schoolwork and for fun. Second one, librarian. Third one, books, magazines, newspapers, and computers. Fourth, A, false, B, true, C, true. Fifth, A,
Land must also be
easy
there.
and
Land
C,
must be there.
hard.
Hmm?
B, quiet.
Hmm?
C, forgot.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, forgot.
Okay, Pita, very good anyway. Okay, sure.
Sir,
Yes, Buddha, yes. Is that me?
what's the meaning of magazine?
Magazine. That's
Yes.
magazine, no?
Sir,
Magazine.
magazine can sangarawak.
Yes, magazine means Sankaral. And also Bandanagare. Both meanings are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is mentioned as a great place to visit? That is where the library, no? It's library, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is there to help you?
The librarian.
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 Excuse me, sir.
Buddha.
First one is wrong.
What? What is a great place then?
Sir, first one is help with schoolwork and for fun.
No, no. What is mentioned as a great place to visit? මොකක්ද great place එක mention කරලා තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද? ඒක ඇවිල්ලා the library. The library. And the who is there to help? The librarian. And fill in the blanks. You can find information from magazine, no? Magazine and
Books, magazines, newspapers, and computers.
books, magazines, and that is next one.
Newspapers, sir. And
What else? හරි පුතේ මට පොඩි මිනිත්තුවක් ඕනේ. I want a minute. මට තප්පරයක් ඕනේ වෙනවා. මම ටගලට essay එකක් දානවා ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ අපි එක කතා කරමු. තිසත් මේ essay එක ලියලා නැතුව ඇති. මම early එකේ essay එක දක්ගල කරලා ඉන්නම්. මට එක මිස් වුණානේ.
sir,
Yes.
I write this.
Yeah පුතේ but not තිසත් මිනෝ. තිසත් මිල බැරුණානේ. ඒක නිසා ටග්ගල තිසත් මේක ලියාගමු.
Okay, sir.
Okay. එතකන් ඔයා පුතේ මොන හරි වැටියක් කරමු ටග්ගල. නිකන් ඉන්නපා. තිසත් මේ finish this one quickly. I'll give the meaning. Okay no? තිසත් මේ ඉක්මන් කරමු.
Excuse me, sir.
Buddha, yes Buddha.
Sir, what mean by a neighbor?
Neighbor means asalwasiya. තිසත් මේ hurry up finish it.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, මම ලියපු essay එක එව්වා.
හරි පුතේ මේකත් ලියා ගන්න. මම මේකේ meanings දෙන එකයි.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha. Do you hear me finish or not? Are, mana kola denam ballam.
Finish.
Okay, Buddha. Okay. Sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha. Kiana Buddha, ikman, hurry up.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Ehna Buddha, kiana?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha. Buddha, matawa ehna, I can hear you. Matil, I can hear you.
Sir, it's my pleasure. Gyan mokadda, sir?
Eka mata saturak කියන එක Buddha. It's my pleasure means eka mata saturak.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, this is me. What about the rest too? හරි තිසත් මම ඔයාලට essay එකේ ඉතුරු ටික එව්වා. ඒක ලියා ගන්න. ඒතර වෙලාව ඉතුරු කරන්න අපි එහෙම කරමු. ටයිම් සේව් කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. අපි දැන් ඉතුරු ටික කන්ටිනියු කරමු. මම ඔයාලට දාලා තියෙන පුතේ තිසත් මී ආයුධය.
Yes, sir.
ඔකේ පුතා. හරි අපි ස්ටාර්ට් කරපු දේ කන්ටිනියු කරමු මට මේ මොකද මේක ඉවර කරලා ඊට පස්සේ මම SS ටික එවන්නම් ඔක්කොම වීඩියෝ ටිකත් එක්කම ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න. ඕකේ ඔයාගේ SS එකත් මම බලලා දෙන්නම්. Number 3 number 4 let's see number 4 then what we were finishing this one now test 9 number 4 say whether the following statements are true or false. There are airplanes in the library. Are there airplanes in the library?
No, sir.
No.
It's wrong.
False. Okay. Books there about them. Books there, but not the airplanes or those things. Huh? A library is a quiet place. Is it a quiet place? Nishabda thanadda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, true, correct. Okay, then the librarian is a helpful person.
True.
Yes, true, yeah. Okay, let's see next one. Number 5, opposites. Easy.
Hard.
Sorry? Hard, okay. Difficult not to make it difficult, nae? Hard only. It's okay. Remember, noisy.
Noisy, quiet.
Yes. Quiet. Remember.
Forget. Sir, forget කියන වචනේ forget කියන වචනේ දෙකක්ද?
Yes, පුතේ. Forget කියලා කියන්නේ අමතක වෙනවා. Forgot කියන්නේ ඒකේ past tense එක අමතක වුණා. තේරුණා නේද?
Thank you, sir. Sir, may I speak now?
Okay, sure. Why not? Test 10. Okay, start.
Test 10. First one is walked. Past tense එක ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ.
Okay.
Seen and saw. Second one. Third one wanted ed එකතු වෙනවා. Fourth එක spoke එක spoke විදිහට වෙනස් වෙනවා. Fifth one believed ed එකතු වෙනවා.
Okay.
Sixth one said y අයින් වෙලා ed එකතු වෙනවා.
Okay.
Seventh one started ed එකතු වෙනවා. Eighth one fell විදිහට වෙනස් වෙනවා මැදකුර e වෙනවා. Ninth one opened
Okay.
opened එකේ ed එකතු වෙනවා. 10 one at eat විදිහට වෙනස් වෙනවා.
Okay, very good. Okay, this at me. You can start.
One walk වෙනවා ed.
Okay.
Three saw වෙනවා. Three wanted වෙනවා.
Okay.
Four talk වෙනවා.
Okay.
Six believed වෙනවා. Eight said started.
Okay.
Fall fell. Open
Okay.
eat ate. Go away.
Okay. Very good, huh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir test 10 එකේ මට එකක් මග ඇරිලා මිස් වෙලා.
Okay, you can tell me.
11 එක go went.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now this time who is first? Tisatmino?
Tisadmi sir.
Okay,
Yes.
let's start.
First one C,
Okay.
second one F, third one E,
Yeah.
fourth one A, fifth one D, sixth one B.
Okay. Very good, huh?
Sir, may I speak it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
First one C, second one F, third one E, fourth one A, fifth one D, sixth one B.
Okay, Buddha. Very
Sir,
good. Okay.
finish.
Okay. Okay, let's see now. First one. Mihindu plays the piano well. That is, see, they have given Raman. No, I don't know. Raman. No, Raman. No, I don't know. Looks after his dog and cat. Keeping a pet. Keeping a pet. That means F. Amaya likes to have beautiful.
Raman, sir. Raman.
Yeah, Raman. No, I don't know. I don't care. You know, those are not even Sri Lankan names. You know, who cares? Amaya likes to have beautiful garden. That means home garden. E.
Your home garden.
Yeah. Menuka visits different places. That means
Traveling is fun.
Yeah. Tinuk takes photographs of nature.
Photography.
Yeah, that is D. Okay. Binuli draws pictures.
Colors and sketches.
Okay.
Sketch.
Yes. Okay. Okay, very good.
Sir, now essays or next paper.
Yes, no essays. A trip to seaside with my family. My favorite sport. My favorite sport I have given no not. But my favorite sport, my country I have given or not. Check, please. Hurry up.
Sir, my favorite sport nandunne sir. The game sport I like most. Dunne.
Then same. Then same.
Listening test එක
Sorry.
listening test එක class එකේදී කළා.
කළා නේද? මට මතකයි. ඔව් අපි කළා. Yes. Thank you.
ඒකේ answers කියන්නද?
Yeah, okay, sure. Why not?
First at 315. Second, green. Third, trees and rocks.
Okay.
Fourth, thought. Fifth, fruit.
Okay. Very good, huh?
සෑ මොකේ උත්තරද සර් දැන් මේ 37 කිව්වේ
Listening test එකේ.
thank you තිසද්නි
කාංචන මිස් අද ප්‍රොවිෂන් සෙමින එක මතක් කරන්න දුව මේ හිටින ඉතින් මම වීඩියෝ එක වන්න මතක් කරන්න කියන්න මට. එකට හොඳයි ඉතින්. බලන්න කෙලේ sugar දිනවද කියලා හැබැයි. හරි පුතේ. දෙන්න එක ලියාගමු. My country.